Ow, son of a... Hey, what's up guys? Today and the coming days, I'm going to be building my children a custom swing set. It's going to go right here. Essentially, there's going to be a 16-foot 6x6 beam supported by two 6x6x10 supports that are going to be posted at 2 feet 6 inches and 10 feet 6 inches. So there's going to be an 11 feet spread there. I think my math is right. Don't hold me to it. So essentially there's going to be 3 swings, 2 standard swings, and then a baby swing for our young ones, and then the coming baby. So yeah, it's going to go right here. We're going to stain it a red color, which will be nice. And yeah, so supplies that you need for this sort of project, you need your beams, of course. I got one here. This is the 16-footer. I got my 2 10-footers here. I'm going to go 3 feet into the ground, even though the frost line here is only about 12 inches. And then I'm going to wrap the 10-foot beams supports in Flex Seal. That way it gives an extra layer of protection from moisture buildup. And of course I'm going to secure these beams in with some Quikrete concrete with a sort of a T-slip. That way the water drains away from the post. Again, just for an extra layer of protection. And then we're going to wait probably like 2 weeks. I know you're supposed to wait longer. I think like a year for treated lumber. But we're going to wait like 2 weeks, and then we're just going to go ahead and stain it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there's going to be a lot of time lapses in this one as well, of course. So stay tuned. Thanks. All right, we got the second hole dug. Now it's time to set the second post in there. After the post is set, I'm going to stabilize the post with the little 2x2 pieces of wood that I purchased from Home Depot, and then we can go ahead and set our concrete. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and flip this post here. This is not very fun to do, to be honest. Again, these posts weigh like 100 pounds a piece. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the Flex Seal is on here. You're supposed to give it 24 hours to cure, but it's 90 degrees outside. It's been in the sun. I think it's good. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this guy in here. So again, bear hug it. And then you're going to want to drop with the post. Don't let it slide, because especially if your neck is touching this wood, it can give you splinters. Can even cut you. So again, there's probably better ways to do it, but that's just my method. So now I'm going to make sure that I'm going to just eyeball it to where I think the stakes are going to be in line, you know, just to kind of get an idea of what it's going to be. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and put my stakes in. All right, now I just need to go get my string. We are going to go ahead and tie this off. All right, guys. I'm gonna grab some of these little, I think these are actually 2x3. Yeah, these are 2x3s. This is what I'm gonna use to stabilize the post. I actually need to cut them down. These are really, really long. And I plan on using these to create sort of like a stair, some sort of staircase on both sides of these posts after they're cemented in, so I can get the main beam up there. This is a 16-foot 6x6 beam. So probably closer to 200 pounds. It's super fucking heavy, and just the length, it just makes it incredibly difficult to move around. So essentially what I would do is, after the stairs are made, probably do like 3 sets. So I'd pick up the beam, put it over here, and then come over here, pick up this beam, put it on the first level, come back, put it on the second level, and then just kind of stair step it all the way up. My wife is pregnant. She's not going to be helping me, and unfortunately I don't have anybody close to me to help me with this little project. This was supposed to be a weekend project. All right, guys, I got the supports up, stakes in. The supports are flush with one another. I may have to trim off some at the top though, but they're straight and level. So now we just gotta set them with concrete. All right, guys, so we got our post set, as you can see here. Post number 1, post number 2. There's a couple of hiccups along the way, and we don't know if these were set the best. So only time will tell. I ended up like spilling a bunch of concrete on the grass, which is unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to let it harden up, see what I can pick up, and then it's gonna take some time for, you know, for the grass to look good again, because it's probably gonna kill it. But yeah, our posts are set, and now tomorrow, whenever this concrete has cured, we're gonna create that ladder on each post like I mentioned, to get this super huge 16-foot beam up there. After the beam is up there, we're gonna create a couple of additional supports for the beam, of course. The swings will come tomorrow, but I'm not gonna install them because I don't want the kids to get too excited before it's complete. I'll install them before the stain for sure, but like I have to still get out these bushes here, and tarp this whole area off. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of where this video is going to end.